Today we're unboxing the Lexie B2 hearing aids powered by Bose. So let's go ahead and unbox these. I want to show you what you get inside. Let me go ahead and peel off the cover here. And here's the box it comes in. And inside, we get a booklet, how to set up your iPhone for call streaming. So this gives you all the information you need to set up your iPhone to stream your calls. And it's got a booklet inside as well, as you can see. So here is the actual product. Let's go ahead and open this. And this is a cord. This is a USB-C to USB cord. And this is the actual case. It's got the Bose logo at the top. It's got a protective covering on it. So let me get that, remove that. And let's open this up. And here are your hearing aids inside. And so this is one of the hearing aids. I'm not sure if this is the right or left. This is the left hearing aid. They're color-coded. They're color-coded by left is blue and right is red. And it charges here. It looks like it charges here on the bottom. So if we go ahead and put them back in, if I can get it back in, charges like that. I close it back up. And there's another compartment here. It says lift here. So let's see what's in this. And this looks like there's a cleaning brush. So you get a cleaning brush with it. And there are sets of earpieces. So here's one set. Different sizes of earpieces. Here's another set. And here's the third size. They say size 1, size 2, and size 3. And we've got an ear measurement here that will tell you what size that you need. And that's what's included inside the Lexie B2 hearing aids powered by Bose.